Namaste students. RSV School welcomes you to class first. Students, today we are going to study a new chapter at the zoo. Have you ever seen a zoo? Yes. Zoo is a place where wild animals live. The wild animals, they mostly live in jungles. But we keep them in zoo also, and we go and visit these zoos so that we can see them and they are kept protected. But it is very well said that we should not keep the wild animals or the other animals out of their habitats. Habitats is their dwelling place where they are living. Have you ever been to a zoo? I hope most of you have been to a zoo and you have seen many of the animals in the zoo. Then, in the movies, in the pictures which are there in your book. Today, we are going to learn about some of the wild animals and we will be learning their spellings, how to spell them and how to pronounce them. So let's begin with our chapter, students. The name of the chapter is At the Zoo. What do we see at the zoo? Look at first picture. I am Sher Singh. I am a tiger. Yes, the name of this animal is Sher Singh and it is a tiger. You must have visited the zoo and see this tiger by your own eyes. Yes. I am Babu. B-A-B-U. Babu. I am a bear. You can see the second picture, the grey body. Yes, mostly the bear are black and grey. They are very innocent. So they are called Babu even. The third picture you can see the black and white zebra. I am Ben. I am a zebra. You must have seen the zebra in the picture when we speak out Z for zebra. Yes. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. This cute little monkey which is there in this picture. I am Chotu. C-H-O-T-U, Chotu. I am a monkey. Have you seen a monkey? Yes, all of us have seen the monkeys. They are very crazy. They always smile and they always make us also smile by their funny little things. Now, what we have started in it? Sher Singh, S-H-E-R, Sher, Singh, S-I-N-G-S, Singh. And it is a tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Babu, B-A-B-U, Babu. And it is a bear, B-E-A-R, bear. Ben, B-E-N, Ben. Ben is zebra, Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. And Chotu, C-H-O-T-U, Chotu, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Every animal is given the name. Let's start with the next chapter, part of the chapter. I am Willy, W-I-L-L-Y, Willy. I am a wolf. Can you see the picture? Yes, it is a wolf and its name is Willy. Willy also means someone which is very cunning. C-U-N-N-I-N-G. Cunning means which is very clever. And a fox and a wolf is very clever. We are monkeys. Have you seen them? How many monkeys are there? There are 3 monkeys. Yes. M-O-N-K-E-Y-S. W-E-V are swans. Swans. Have you seen the swan? Look at the picture. Yes. S-W-A-N-S. They are more in number. That's why we have put them in plurals. And we have used R. A-R-E-R for the plural. For singular, we use is. And when we are talking about ourselves, that is I, we always use am. I with am. Singular, that is for one thing, we use is. And for more than one thing, we use are. So students, we have learned how many animals in this? We have learned about a tiger, Sher Singh, a monkey, then Willie, a fox, then Ben, a zebra, and then we have also talked about Babu, the bear, and swans. So how many pictures? 6. We have talked about 6 animals and they all live in zoo. Let's start with the hard words. Tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Bear, B-E-A-R, bear. Zebra, Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Wolf, W-O-L-F, wolf. Monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Swans, S-W-A-N-S, swans. Now, we will be doing the pronunciation drill. How to speak out these words? Tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Zebra, Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Bear, B-E-A-R, bear. Now you have to answer because we have already done it. I am a, you have seen this picture before. Yes, what is it? Yes, it is a tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. And what was its name? Sher Singh. S-H-E-R, Sher. S-I-N-G-H, Singh. The second picture, I am a bear. B-E-A-R, bear. And my name is, yes, its name was Babu. B-A-B-U, Babu. I am a monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. And what was his name? Chotu. C-H-O-T-U, Chotu. We are, single is monkey and more than one is monkeys. M-O-N-K-E-Y-S, monkeys. Now, we have to do up with some fun exercise. You have to write the missing alphabet in this. We have already done it. This is the spelling of a wolf. W-O-L-F, wolf. Yes. The second one is S-W-A-N-S, swans. Students, hope you have enjoyed the journey of this zoo with some of the cute little wild animals which were there in it. But they all live in jungle and they all frighten us when we see them. But we should protect all the animals because these animals, their home is there in the jungle only. So what you have to do? You have to write the spelling of 5 animals you have seen in the zoo. Hope you have enjoyed the chapter. Stay fit, stay fine, stay healthy. Thank you for listening carefully.